Hello and welcome to our channel IFCG, where we make learning fun and easy. Today we've got an exciting word that's going to expand your vocabulary and make you a better communicator. But before we dive into our word of the day, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Today, we are diving into the power of a single word and how it can shape our understanding and communication. So let's explore abrogate together. Abrogate means to officially end or cancel something, like a law, agreement, or custom. It's like hitting the delete button on a rule or agreement, making it officially cease to exist. To help you understand abrogate better, here are 10 easy sentences. Number 1. The government decided to abrogate the old law. Number 2. Abrogation of unfair policies is necessary for progress. Number 3. The club committee discussed the abrogation of outdated rules. Number 4. The abrogated agreement caused a lot of disagreements. Number 5. The abrogation of the contract was necessary due to legal issues. Number 6. Abrogate any unnecessary rules to streamline the process. Number 7. The abrogated law brought relief to the affected citizens. Number 8. The abrogation of traditional beliefs can lead to societal changes. Number 9. The abrogation of the old policy sparked a debate among lawmakers. And number 10. Abrogation shouldn't be done hastily. It requires thorough consideration. Now, let's explore some synonyms for abrogate. First, repeal. Second, revoke. Third, annul. Fourth, nullify. And fifth, cancel. Have you heard of bite the bullet? Bite the bullet is a famous idiom related to the word abrogate. It means facing a difficult situation with courage. Sometimes, when rules change, we need to bite the bullet and adapt. It's a story time, friends. Now let's dive into a story set in an Indian village starring Arav and Diya. In a village named Sundarpur, Arav and Diya loved flying kites. One day, the village head declared a ban on kite flying. Arav and Diya were disheartened. Arav: Diya, we can't fly kites anymore. What do we do? Diya: I don't know, Arav. Rules are rules. In Sundarpur, where kites danced freely, the ban shattered Arav and Diya's joy. Fired up, they gathered kids at the town square. Arav: we can't let this ban ruin our fun. Diya: let's show them how much we love kite flying. Their rally echoed through the village, catching the village head's attention. Village head: what's all this fuss about? Arav: we want to fly kites again. Please reconsider the ban. Diya: it's our tradition. It brings us together. Moved by their passion, the head pondered. Village head: all right, let's discuss. Their unity inspired the villagers. They poured into the square, sharing stories of kite flying joy. Village head: I understand its significance. The ban is abrogated. The square erupted with cheers. Arav and Diya, beaming, took to the skies, kites trailing behind. Their determination not only revived kite flying but united Sundarpur, showing the power of community spirit. And that's how Arav and Diya experienced abrogation. One word can change so much, right? Well, thanks for joining today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us for more word adventures. Happy learning, everyone. Bye-bye.